This is the Master Series To-Do List Journal, and I am going to show you just how easy it is to use. This is a simple step-by-step guide to help you going from daunting empty pages to a full productive system of journal writing. You might be thinking, do I really need a journal? I'm already managing things just fine. But here's the thing, even if you feel like you're keeping up, a journal can take your productivity, organization, and peace of mind to the next level. Here are the benefits of you using a to-do lists journal. It frees up mental space. Instead of trying to remember everything, you can write it down and focus on getting things done. It helps you stay on track. Whether it's work, personal goals, or daily habits, your journal becomes a roadmap that keeps you moving forward. It reduces stress. A cluttered mind can feel overwhelming. Writing things down gives you clarity and control over your day. It increases productivity. Studies show that people who plan their tasks get more done in less time compared to those who don't. It keeps you accountable. It's easy to forget what you plan to do. A journal helps you stay committed to your goals. The best part? Journaling doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need to be a writer or spend hours on it. You just need a few minutes a day to see results. Now, let's walk through how to start step by step so you can make the most of this journal. Step 1. Get your thoughts down first. Optional but helpful. Before you dive into the journal itself, it might help to take a moment to get clear on what's important to you. Find a separate sheet of paper or a simple lined notebook. Write down a few things you'd like to focus on. This could be goals, habits, or just general thoughts about what's important in your life right now. If you're not sure what to write, start with these prompts. What do I want to achieve this month? What habits do I want to improve? What tasks or responsibilities do I need to keep track of? Are there any personal or work-related deadlines I need to remember? This step isn't required, but it helps clear your mind so that when you open your journal, you already have a sense of direction. Now, let's move on to the journal itself. Step 2. Set up your monthly calendar page. At the start of each month, your journal gives you a blank, undated calendar page. This page gives you a big picture view of your month, so you always know what's coming up. Here's how to set it up. 1. Write the name of the month at the top. 2. Number the days of the month in the calendar grid. Start with 1 and fill it in until the end of the month. 3. Add key events, deadlines, or appointments. Think about birthdays, meetings, bills due, or anything else that's important. 4. Use the notes section just below the calendar. This is a great place to write down any thoughts, reminders, or goals for the month. If you wrote down ideas on a separate piece of paper earlier, you can transfer the most important ones here. This page isn't about planning out every tiny detail. It's about giving yourself a simple roadmap for the month. Step 3. Start your daily pages, one day at a time. Now that you have your monthly overview, it's time to zoom in on today. Each day, your journal gives you space to write down what matters most. If you're not sure what to put here, start simple. Here's how to use your daily pages in 3 easy steps. 1. Each morning or the night before, take a moment to plan. Look at your monthly calendar to see what's coming up. Think about what needs to get done today. 2. Write down your top 3 priorities. These are the most important tasks that, if completed, would make today feel productive. Example, finish work report, go to the gym, call mom. 3. Use the rest of the page as needed. Jot down notes, reminders, or things that come up throughout the day. Check things off as you complete them. There's something satisfying about that. If something doesn't get done, don't stress, just move it to tomorrow's page. Step 4. Make this a daily habit. The secret to making a journal work for you is consistency, not perfection. You don't have to fill out every page perfectly, and you definitely don't have to write essays every day. Just keep showing up. Here's how to make it stick. Choose a time that works for you. Morning, evening, pick a time when you're naturally more focused. Keep your journal somewhere visible. If it's out of sight, it's out of mind. Try your desk, nightstand, or bag. Give yourself permission to do it your way. Some days you'll write a lot, some days just a few words. Both are fine. Final thought, just start. It gets easier. The first few days might feel a little awkward, but don't overthink it. This journal is a tool to help you, not something to be perfect at. So open up to today's page, take a moment, and just start. Small steps lead to big progress. You got this.